Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is another winter design. I hope you really like this one. It's not a complicated design, but it looks like it is, so I really love ones like this. It is a bit fiddly, but I wouldn't say it was complicated. I'll show you what I used when I was doing this. I used some Model 1's colours. So this one, it's a bit strange because it's a summer colour, that's what its name is. Summer's in the name, but it's not, for this set. I love baby blue colours in winter. I absolutely love them on sets, and this colour is one of my favourites. I really love it. So this is from the Model 1's 16-piece collection that I swatched a while ago, and I'm loving this collection. All these little bottles with all the different colours in. I love all the colours, so it's really good. I also tried on another video to do a sweater nail with this gel polish because it's quite thick, the gel polish, so it works for that. But that'll be an upcoming video. I'm trying to get a lot of sort of winter and Christmas ones out as quick as I can. So I've got a few recorded, I'm just editing them at the moment. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting, you only need one coat of this gel polish on because it's really pigmented and really thick. So I'm just putting one coat of that on all of the nails, curing that for 30 seconds. And then what I'm going to do on the little finger, I'm going to put some different colours on and I'm going to marble them together on that pinky finger. And then I'm going to have some of the Beatles Christmas collection, one of those, it's the hollow colour that I'm going to put on the ring finger and the index finger, and then on the middle finger I'm going to put some glitter on that one, and I'm going to encapsulate that with some builder gel. So I hope you're all loving the Christmas nails at the moment. There's a lot of people putting them out there, and I love this season. I love how many sets of nails people do, and it gets us all really excited for Christmas and things like that. Obviously they don't have to be Christmas nails. These have got snowflakes on, but it doesn't mean they're Christmas nails, they're just winter nails. So that's what I love about this set. It is one of my favourites that I've done recently. I'm still deciding what Christmas nails I'm going to have on my nails. I've not decided that yet. I'm going to do mine next week, so I'm a bit excited about that. So I'm loving marbling it at the moment because it's really easy. As long as you don't put too much on and it goes everywhere, then it's pretty straightforward, but it looks really, really good. I absolutely love the way it looks. I should probably have done the index finger marbled as well, but I was happy with the one finger. So after I finish with the marbling, I do cure it for 60 seconds. I think I flash cured it for 10 seconds as well when I was halfway through the nail. I can't remember on this one, but it is worth doing that if your polish is a bit more runny so that it doesn't, sort of ruin your design if they're all blending in together when you don't want them to do that. It depends how quick you are at doing it. I'm quite slow at doing it, so I usually give it a cure halfway through. Okay, so that hollow polish has been cured for 60 seconds, so that's how long the Beetles takes to cure, and this is the glitter I'm using for the middle nail. Isn't it gorgeous? It's from Smiley's, it's called Igloo, and it's very translucent, this glitter, so it looks really good on top of any colour. So I'm just going in with some Aimeili base coat, and I'm leaving that wet so that I can put some of this glitter on because it is quite a chunky one. There's also snowflakes in it as well, which are a bit difficult to apply because when you've got sort of the bigger snowflakes, they don't lie flat. Well, they do lie flat on the nail, but then you get the edges that are sticking out because obviously the nail's curved. So what I tried to do was I got, you'll see a bit later in the video, I got one of my brushes and I tried to sort of bend it on the brush. And I ended up bending it in my fingers as well just to give it more of a curve to stick it to the nail. But then after I'd done that, I actually saw someone else's video where they used the nail glue, like the tip glue, and they put a bit of that on the nail, then they stuck the snowflake down, and then they used a plastic bag to press the nail down. Sorry, they used a plastic bag and they pressed the plastic bag down onto the snowflake until the glue had dried, and then they just peeled it off. And then that stuck it really well to the nail. So the next time I use these chunky snowflakes, because I love them, but they're a bit of a pain to work with, I'm going to try that and see if it works for me. So basically I'm just putting this glitter all onto that wet base, and then when I'm happy with it, I'll cure it. And then when I'm happy with everything, and I've put the snowflakes on and everything, I'll come back in and I'll use my Premier Builder Gel, the clear builder gel, just to encapsulate all of that glitter and make sure that it's all sealed in. Okay, so after that's been cured for 60 seconds, that builder gel, I'm just coming in with the top coat now, the Model 1's top coat I'm using, and I'm just making sure that all of those designs are sealed in and top coated properly. The good thing with the Premier gel is if you're just brushing it on like I did, and you're not sort of trying to build the shape of the nail with it, which I wasn't because I was only putting it on quite thick just to cover up that glitter, you don't really need to file it. I didn't file it at all on this one. Sometimes you do need to buff it a little bit. It depends how you apply it. If you apply it as you would do if you were building a nail shape, then you probably have to file and buff it, but I just use it for thickness really, just to make sure that everything's sealed in. And if you put it on thin enough and you don't put too much glitter on, then it's fine and it doesn't need filing. So then that top coat will get cured for 60 seconds and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So I hope you love this set as much as I do. I absolutely love it. I love that it's really easy. Apart from those snowflakes, they were the only fiddly bit, but it just looks gorgeous. I love these nails. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for my original ones. And thanks everybody for watching. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. See you next time. Bye.